Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah.
Oh, yeah. I had to come on here and show y'all this bad boy. Peanut butter cookie cheesecake bars, y'all. Let's go. If you know me, I love anything cheesecake, okay? Just give me a bar of cream cheese and I'm gonna make it do what it do. Let's get into it real quick, y'all. We're gonna start off with getting your flour and your baking soda in a mixing bowl. Now look, y'all, I'm doing the absolute most by making my own peanut butter cookies. You can make this recipe a lot easier by going and get a store-bought, already made peanut butter cookie dough. Just go ahead and make your life a whole bunch easier, baby. I just like to do the most, so that's what I'm gonna do. And the full recipe will be in the description, so do not worry. If you want to make your own cookies, baby, this recipe right here is it, because these are good. Soft, chewy, yes ma'am, everything. But today is gonna be our crust. Oh my God, y'all, this is gonna be so damn good. And it ain't peanut butter for me if it ain't that honey roasted Peter Pan, okay? So go ahead and mix your dry ingredients in one bowl and your wet ingredients in the other bowl. When you're done, put them together, and baby, that's gonna be your cookie dough. Look at that bad boy. These cookies finna be chewy as hell, y'all. I love me a good soft chewy cookie, baby. Oh, and make sure you scrape the sides of that bowl because I am not trying to waste none of this $4 jar of peanut butter. No, ma'am. Oh, yes, sir. We're finna start that cheesecake filling, y'all. So delectable. So damn creamy. Yes. Go ahead and throw you 8 ounces of cream cheese in a mixing bowl, but make sure it's soft, though. If you gotta throw it in the microwave for about 10 seconds, go ahead and do that. Cream this up real quick. Make sure it don't have no lumps in it, y'all. We want this bad boy smooth. Okay, that's smooth enough. Now you're gonna go ahead and add you 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Oh, look at that thing, y'all. So thick and creamy. It's gonna be good. Go ahead and add you some vanilla in that thing. Mix her up and get her done. Oh, mix it good, child. Oh, this definitely big back activity. Definitely. Go ahead and get your peanut butter cookie dough, y'all. Get it at the bottom of the pan. Go ahead and spread it out. This finna be good. Oh my God, this finna be so good. Go ahead and get your cheesecake filling right on top, y'all. Look at them. Look how creamy. Yes. Go ahead and get that right on top, y'all. We finna come right back through with some peanut butter cookie right on top. So we finna have some cookie at the bottom and a little cookie at the top. Oh, she ready. Go ahead and get this in the oven for about 30-35 minutes, y'all, on 350. Here she go. Here she go. Yeah, I let it cool in the refrigerator for about 4 hours because you got to let that cream cheese and everything just congeal. The flavor's going to come through. Yeah, it came out the pan so smooth. Look at that bad boy. Yes, look at that crust, that cookie. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this, y'all. It's cutting smooth. Oh, and it smells good too, y'all. It ain't nothing like a fresh baked cookie. Look at that cream cheese. Look at that cheese. Look at... Woo! That bad boy came out good, y'all. Look at that damn cookie on top, the cookie on the bottom, the cookie on the side. Let's go. Hey, this was fire. Full recipe in the description. Y'all make this. More recipes on the way, y'all. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn them notifications on, baby, because she in the kitchen and she whipping. Yeah.